In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom MCP server that can connect to over 150 different integrations for free. To get started, you can create a free account on NoClick.com, and once you do, you will see this screen. If you don't, you can click on Workflows and then click on New Workflow, but I've already done that. The next step is to add an MCP node. To do that, you can click on the plus button on the top right, which will open the Flow Helper view, where you can search for MCP. And this is going to show you the MCP node, which you can drag and drop into the canvas. Now we have to actually connect the tools we want to surface through this MCP server. And to do that, we have to configure it. So I'm going to drag and make the Flow Helper view full screen. You can see there is a button called Add Tool over here, which we can use to add tools across any of the 150 integrations on this platform. To show as an example, I'm just going to connect Gmail and Slack. You can see I have already connected my email account. If you're starting fresh, you can click on this button to add your own account. And now we can simply connect each tool by checking the box here. And you can check the box for any of the tools you want to provide. I'm also going to add Slack. In the same way, I've already connected my Slack account. You can connect yours by clicking on this button. And I want the MCP to let agents send messages to channels, update messages, and get thread replies. That's all you have to do in terms of configuring. The next step is to actually connect it to your ChatGPT or your Claude account or whichever AI client you use. To do that, we're going to need a link that connects to this MCP server. You can get your link by clicking on this button that says Connect Externally, and this is going to show a pop-up with the link. You can click the link to copy it to your clipboard and then head to Claude or whichever tool you use. I'm using Claude to show as an example. In Claude, there is a button called Customize and a button inside the pop-up called Connectors where you can add your custom MCP server. So I'm just going to click on Add Custom Connector, and then it is asking me for the remote MCP server URL, which I can just paste here. And I'm going to call it NoClick MCP. And as you can see, all the tools we added at NoClick are now available in Claude. Let's actually test this out to make sure it works. And it's asking me for permission to use the NoClick MCP, which I'm going to give it for this test. So Claude says it has sent the message. Let's just confirm. Okay, and as you can see, it looks like it did send the message. So that's pretty much it. The benefit of using NoClick over official MCP servers is that if you use the Slack official MCP server or the Gmail official MCP server or some other official MCP server, it's going to use an API that is built to handle MCP demand, and often those APIs are under-resourced and they can be a little bit slow. But we use official APIs that are meant to handle massive scale, so the response times you see are going to be much faster, and you can also configure exactly the tools you want to use, the resources within those tools that you want to give an agent access to. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can head to our community and ask them in the support channel. If not, take it easy, have a good day, good night, and have fun using the product.